In this video, we are going to be analysing ALLR. Now, it is up 180% as we're recording this video, and that's why we're kind of doing analysis on this video. Obviously, earlier it was up a lot more, has since pulled back. It's now currently trading below the VWAP, but what are we looking at going forward? So for this, on the left, we have a 6 month, on the right, we have a 1 year chart. What are we looking at going forward? So obviously, we did hit $1 already today. That is a key level. That was our first deviation on the 6 month, and also obviously a big psychological level, and that's why you kind of saw it break up. But obviously it did move in really strong momentum, so it kind of just broke straight through this level, which was actually quite interesting to see. But again, that's why you have the tight stops if you're playing a pullback strategy. Now, we didn't go any higher than this, or we didn't hit a level higher than this, which would have been 159 to around 165. As these levels are so close together, if we do push back up, use this as a range because they're so close together. Again, you don't want to be having, a 3 or 5 cent stop if you're getting in at 158 when 165 could be that top. So use that more as a range. If we continue to push up, then we're paying attention to that. Now, if we break that and continue even further, we're looking at 217, 277, 457, and final levels at 750 and 1046. So again, a lot of levels to the upside. We will quickly go over the supports and then go through what we're looking at each of these levels. So on the support side, we only really have one support, and that is our statistical mean on the 6 month at 40 cents. So now we have all our levels. How do we go about using them? So again, do you need to pay attention to all of them? No, you only ever really need to pay attention to where you are now. We're currently at 80 cents. So I'm paying attention to $1, considering as well that we kind of just broke straight through and then came back through it again. If we touch this on a bit, kind of not on gapping volume, like it can be high volume, but you don't want to just see it kind of gapping on super strong momentum. But if we come back to kind of retest this level, we want to see, can it break through? If it can't, again, look to play the pullback. But if it can break through, want to see a breakthrough, come back to test it as a support, and if it holds, I'll be looking to trade it to around that 150, 158. Obviously, then coming into this level, looking to trade it short bias the first time we hit this range. But if we're able to retest it, break through, then I'm looking for that retest of support, and if it holds, then I'm looking to play higher to that that 217. Now, if we end up falling down again, 40 cents going to be a key support, statistical mean on the 6 month. But if we do break that, we kind of have a final support at the gap fill location at around 28 cents. And really, once we hit 40 to 28 cents, I really would just stop paying attention to it. With these kind of stocks, there's opportunity to trade kind of the momentum to the upside, because again, you can get some really good risk to reward on those. But once they go back to kind of their pre-news or pre-volatile level, there's usually just not much opportunity there. You might get a small relief bounce, but again, you're probably not getting a good risk to reward in a trade like that, so not something I'm really paying attention to. So anyway, that is the breakdown on ALLR. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.